guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to be opening my FabFitFun box with you. I've had this box for over a week. I know, I've been really bad. So I'm finally going to get into the box, and this is one of my favorite seasonal subscription boxes. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it comes every winter, spring, summer, fall. So you get it 4 times a year, and it's $49.99. And if you check out my link in my description, I'll have a discount code where you can get $10 off your first box. So that's really awesome. You want to take advantage of that. Check out the link in my description. So before we get into the box, go ahead right now and give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already part of my family here on YouTube. So now let's get into the box. Okay, so look at this box. I love the design. Every single season they have a beautiful design. I actually save these every single season and I collect them, so once Christmas comes I go ahead and use these to put the Christmas gifts and I wrap it up in the box. It's the perfect size. So don't throw your boxes away because they come in really handy. The first thing I pull out is a little magazine. On the cover this season you have Megan Trainor. And then inside we'll normally talk a little bit about her. And then there's just a coupon in here, card, which we get every month for HelloFresh. I've actually started purchasing them. So it says right here, I'm gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. That's $200+ worth of presents to yourself for just $34.99. So this is a code for $50 your first box. I'm going to go ahead and link this code in the description for you so you can go ahead and take advantage of that. And then there's also a $50 gift card for Bright Sellers. I believe that's a wine subscription. So I'll probably check that out because I'm a wine lover. The next is these cards. It looks like there's about 3 of them from Hallmark. I don't think this is one of the items. Sometimes you're getting the box random stuff that they're throwing from one of the sponsors. So I think that's what this is. And it says, every card you send has the power to change someone's lives and make you feel amazing too. So give it a try and see what a card can do. Oh, that's really cute. And you know what? That's true because I have an aunt that she's the only one of my great aunts, she's the only one that sends cards for our birthdays and for holidays, and we actually look forward to receiving her cards. So I do appreciate cards. You're the sparkling rose of people. You mean so much. You're amazing. So that's cute. These are just nice little cards if you want to send somebody. So the great thing about FabFitFun is that there's 2 ways you can go. You can be a seasonal subscriber where you purchase the box every season, you're paying for it every season, and then you can be a select member, meaning you pay yearly. And the difference between the 2 is if you're a seasonal subscriber, then you get to customize your box by selecting 2 or 3 items that are in it. If you're a yearly subscriber, which is a select subscriber, then you can go ahead and have more options of customizing your box. But there's still about 3 items that is still a surprise to everyone. So that's the great thing about it. You can customize your box to make it sure that you're getting the box that's perfect for you. You can still have that enjoyment of being a subscription box where you get a couple items that are still surprise. First item I'm pulling out is After Spa, and this is the towel. And I really like this one. This one's thick. I do have a hair towel already, but it's a little bit thin, and I like that it has this really good elastic so that it goes on your head. And then it has right there the button. Once you tie it, you can go ahead and tie it on to hold the towel on your head. It's showing that the hair towel wrap is $18. The next thing in my box is the detox pads. This is the complexion perfecting pads. This is another item that I selected, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. So there you go. It's pretty full, about right there. And these pads are extremely big. So that's what it looks like. And I could fit a lot of products on there, so I hopefully would only need 1 for my whole face. So this way this would last. Just a few swipes of the cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. And this retails for $45. This is the next item I received. It's a flat iron, which does have, it goes up to 450 degrees. It has an on and off switch. While you're curling a flat iron in your hair, it doesn't get tangled. So it's a rotating cord. So I do like that we've been receiving a lot of hair tools in our box. First one I remember was a blow dryer. Then we got a curling wand, and now we have the flat iron, which is really good. All my tools are extremely old and cracked, so it was about time for me to replace them, which was good because I received it in the box. Having good hair every day. 100% ceramic plates generate soft and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. And this retails for $80. So far, I'm liking everything that I received. I'm really glad that I made the decision to go ahead and upgrade to a select because, yeah, I'm really liking everything. So then I have this from Butterskin Co. It's the Butterskin Lava Mask. It's a cleanser scrub mask. Okay, I don't want to open it because I already have 2 masks that I opened and I don't want it to dry. I'm going to wait until I finish those up. So I'm just go ahead and show you how it looks right there. I haven't done really any videos too much on masks, which I want to get into. I have so many masks that I want to go ahead and show you guys. So this will be one of them. So if you want to see that video, stick around, making sure you subscribe so you can go ahead and catch that. This 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask is enriched with nutrients, ingredients to give skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. And this retails for $32. Now the next thing I have is from Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Face Toner. And that's a really big, and this is something I haven't had in a long time. It's a good toner. It's just something that I keep skipping on my daily routine. Gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. And this retails for $30. I really do need that because I do have a lot of discoloration, especially right here. Sometimes you can see it through my video. Around my cheeks, freckles are now coming on my face. I could see them. I really need to get control of it. Okay, this is another product that I was really interested in. This is the exfoliating sugar cubes. It smells really good, like candy. Actually, my daughter had already got into the box and she tasted one. Oh my gosh, it smells like candy. Okay, I just want to try it and see. That actually doesn't taste bad. I thought it was going to taste like soap. Oh no, I can't even do that. I want to eat it. There's actually real sugar on the outside. Now what's in the middle, I don't know, but it really has sugar on the outside. Oh my gosh. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. And that retails for $16. So there's about 8 cubes in here for $16. And this is also an item that everyone will receive, whether you're a seasonal subscriber or you're a select subscriber. Next, this is for everybody as well. I forgot to tell you the name of the product. This is from Humankind and it's Body Soulful. It's a cream, it's vegan and cruelty free. Lather yourself in a soulful blend of apricot oil and sea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. And this retails for $18. Okay, and the last item in the box was, once again, everybody received this product. This is from Avita, the Art and Science of Pure Flower and Plant Essence Damage Remedy. This is a hair repair. Infused with protein, macadamia oil, and soy, instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat and styling. I guess it protects your hair for up to 450 degrees, and it retails for $30. Now here's everything that came in my box, and I added it all up and it has a retail value of $224. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of this season's box. I think it was a really good box. I'm really happy that I upgraded to be a select member because now there was really not even just one item that I didn't like. I liked everything. So I'm really happy about that. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. And just to remind you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you go. Hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of this little family here on YouTube. As always guys, I love you and I'll catch you in the comments below.